So welcome my channel. Today I'm going to show you 8 channel NVR Hikvision, how to configure by web browsing. Okay, just open a CCTV tool and click the IP address of the NVR. After this window is open now, the web browser. Just use your username and password and click login. Wait. Okay, this now our NVR is open here, and just click configuration. Just click on configuration and then open the configuration menu of this NVR. Okay, this is the system settings. This is our time setting. I just change my time. I using my laptop time. Okay, just save. You can use manually, no issue. You can use the time NTP server or something like that. You can use that one also, no issue. Now they go into network settings and advanced settings, and for enabling platform access. And just in platform access, normally we using Hikconnect, right? Just connect Hikconnect. And we have option for creating security code here also. This is for verification code for you share your video to someone else. If they want to do that, they must use this verification code, otherwise not. We can cancel this one, no issue, later. Okay, just save this one. Save it. Okay, encryption key we created already. That one we will just before we created, that one is there. If you want to enable or disable, no issue. Okay, this part is complete, and we can do all configuration from here. If you can change camera resolution and encoding, everything we can change here. This is a camera. We can change brightness, sharpness from here, no problem. Each camera we can select from here. Okay, this is our recording schedule. See, there is a right side. They can see different color there: blue, green, red, orange, thing like that. Blue is a continuous recording. No need to change. Select each camera. Just copy and paste. All camera, then the all camera now the auto recording. Okay, this is continuous recording. This is storage management. There is if you add a hard disk, you can see there. If any fault in hard disk, it will be show there. Okay, this is all function here. We can enable, disable, face detection, harming schedule, face capture, everything we can use here. This function we can enable. Why, you know this? If you enable this one, notify my surveillance sender. This means if you have any issues for example, if we enable face detections, the notification will come or mobile app. Okay, if you enable that options. See, for example, video loss. Okay, I just click here and notify my I just enable that multi surveillance center. Okay, just click camera and select it. If any video loss, for example, if a camera removed from NVR, maybe the camera is not working, we can get notification from our mobile phone. I select each camera and enable that one. Okay, just enable and select notify surveillance center, then save. Very important things, we always save our configuration. Okay, don't forget that. This is exceptions of this is sometimes some NVR and DVR making noise, beep sound. Okay, this is all the reason. This one, now this one I just cancel all things. I just enable only for notify my surveillance center. That means it will be get notification over mobile phone. See, hard disk full, there is a audio alarm. I just disable that one. I just notify, just enable only notify my surveillance system, and just save this one. If any DVR makes sound like this, just disable from here, okay, and save it. This is a motion configurations. You can create a motion area from here and configure one by one all in cameras, each cameras, okay. This system maintenance, we can reboot here, system update, default configuration, resetting, everything will be here. Firmware updation also. And these sections, we have to create another user. Now we are logging admin user, right? So someone no need to get the configuration permission. So we can create one user here. Just to put any name and create one password and get just select here. If you need only playback searching, just only that one, just select that one, then okay. This is better for so the people not access the direct to configuration. This is a video. We can change the resolution for camera here. Each camera resolution we can change from here, and the video quality and the frame rate and bit rate and encoding, everything we can change from here. We can select each camera or copy to all camera. Maybe we don't need all camera same resolution, so we can one by one we can change this better. So like that. Okay. So this is a configuration of NVR by web browser. Okay, using our IP address or NVR or DVR. Okay, this is the basic system and the firmware version and model number, everything will be here. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.